This is a brand new 2015 Volvo XC60. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel controls, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Volvo Center is located at 1326 Northeast Loop 410 in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.